Hi, we are going to make this ruffle skirt. We will go from this to this in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Pop holes on the hem of the skirt. I'm using a 0.6mm hook, and you can also crochet without popping holes first. Step 2. Do a single crochet into the holes. I used a 1.5mm hook. Watch this video here to learn different crochet stitches. Step 3. Do 1 double crochet into every space. This should be the second row now. Step 4. You should have 2 rows now. Step 4. Do 2 double crochets into every space. At the end of this, you have 3 rows. In row 4, do 1 double crochet into every space. Finally, do 1 triple crochet into every space in rows 5 and 6. Watch this video here to learn different crochet stitches.